Falsa Rash, welcome back to your Irish for Parents weekly mini lesson, and we're going to look at how to say help me Oscar so that you can ask the kids to help you, and we're going to look at a few different phrases as well. So this video is jam-packed of useful phrases that you can use with the kids. Leis na posh. Achar dus, just firstly would like to say that if you are a parent, you're an Irish mammy or a daddy, and you would love to be able to add some Irish to your home, like the other mammies and daddies in our community, they start speaking Irish at home straight away and they then hear their kids speaking Irish back to them in a really short period. It's the most practical and natural way to add the language to your children's lives so that they learn that it's a real language and not just a school subject. And we have a 6-week guide to speaking Irish at home, which is a starter guide, and we have a complete guide to speaking Irish at home, and both of them you can download right now and literally get started, so they're down below in the description. Achanish, but now our phrase in the shachna, our phrase of the week is help me. So we're going to do the first one, which is Gaeilge lum. Gaeilge lum. Cower, like to cower. Gaeilge lum. Gaeilge lum, help me. So gaeilge is a verb here to help, and we use it with the preposition le, which is with. So gaeilge lum is help me, and it literally translates as help with me. Help with me, because lum means with me. Gaeilge lum. Cuidig is another verb, and it can just be used instead of gaeilge. So cuidig lum is help me, and then gaeilge lum is help me. So if you've heard one of these before, you can choose whichever one you've heard. And as always, do type this into opera.ie if you would like to hear it in the different dialects, because there are 3 main dialects of Irish, and each dialect pronounces words differently. Anish, give me some help. I think this is so helpful for when you have kids. I say this to my daughter all the time. Túr cúnamh dom. Túr cúnamh dom. Túr cúnamh dom. And again, these are pronounced different in the different dialects, so do type it into opera.ie to be able to hear it in the different dialects. I speak Connacht Irish, and they don't pronounce the end of cúnamh, it's Torcuna, Torcunavhum, and the ending is emphasized and pronounced in Munster. Oxenshin, can you help? Another really useful one is on féidir leat cabhrú. On féidir leat cabhrú. So on féidir leat means can you, and then cabhrú help. On féidir leat cabhrú. On féidir leat cabhrú. So sinnig and shot, that's it for this week. Choose one that you're going to be able to use, the one that you prefer, the one that you think will be most practical to you in your home life, and then start using it straight away. Use it as much as you can. This is how you build up to being fluent and confident in the Irish language, or any language at all. Gurv Mila Maha Darish, thank you so much again. Feki me and Chocan who I'll see you next week. August Slonga Fall. Bye for now.